Wells Fargo, any read for us there? 113 was the diluted EPS number. Net income was actually $6 billion.
Did you see the loan growth there?
Yeah, I do.
I thought it was suboptimal.
Down 12 about 1% average loans. That is. Return on assets, return on equity, 12%.
But the stock is really down a lot. I'm not going to fight it here. By the way, I think Warren Buffett still likes it. The quarter was fine. I mean, look, Tim Sloan is doing his absolute best to recover from what almost everybody recognizes was just a perfect storm of corruption. I use that word lightly. But I love the Citi fixed FIC. The Citi FIC was fabulous. How about Citi buying back?
Citi FIC up 9, yeah.
Well, this is Mike Corbat's 4th anniversary today. Today is his 4th anniversary. 4th anniversary. Do you know that the man has bought back 20% of the stock since he came in?
Really? 20%?
Yes. And the
One
not
out
tangible,
of every 5 shares.
Book value is 72. Okay, and they can make money if they keep buying the buyback 7 to 8%.
It's interesting. JP Morgan is down 10% in FIC, whereas Citi was up.
Don't you think that's interesting?
Yeah.
I'm glad you.
Meanwhile, Diamond reiterating on the call his belief in a 4% 10-year. Right, which sort of raises the question, Jim, where is the pressure point in the near term?
The pressure point has to do with trade.
But in terms of levels on yields?
Oh, I mean, where they could go. No, we actually need the 10-year up. I want the Fed to sell it, to reduce its balance sheet by selling its long-term paper.
So a move to 3.5, not troublesome?
No, I'm not. I'm okay with that. What I'm not okay with is that will strengthen the dollar, which is going to hurt exports. I'm just concerned that the world freezes because of trade. That's my worry.
Or
I want the Chinese to capitulate.
I know, but we've continued to discuss the fact that many people believe they will not capitulate. Certainly not in the manner in which they're being approached to surrender.
And even if they did, I mean, Diamond at least today goes on to list Brexit, Italy, the reversal of QE, Turkey, Argentina, and Saudi Arabia, which got a ton of discussion this morning with Mnuchin.
Well, this is what I worry about. I worry about those. Citi, by the way, is 50% international.
Yeah, Citi's very
It's holding up. I just look. This quarter was great. I want the next quarters to be great. But Carl, this is what I'm talking about. I don't have a lot of companies that if the Fed does, if that fellow Mr. Evans, if he does what he says, which is 3 rate hikes to it, I'm cutting numbers for every single company I deal with. Every single company. Now, stock market trades on earnings per share forecasts. Not what happened, but forecasts. There isn't a single company other than a couple of banks that can forecast better numbers if Evans does what he says. If the Fed does. Now, they will say to you, hey, we're not in the stock business. Well, they weren't in the stock business 2007 either.